Hello everyone, Namaste. How are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points which will help for all type of autoimmune disorders. Before that, let us know what is autoimmune disorders, how are they caused, different types of autoimmune disorders and all these things. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So as we all know, our immunity system protects us from all kind of diseases, from bacteria, from viruses, and it helps us to keep us healthy and safe. Right? We all know that is the work of our immunity system. But if this same immunity system mistakenly damages the cells of our body, okay, it damages the cells, then that condition is called as autoimmune disorder. That means in generally our own body is creating diseases and is harming our own cells. Some examples of autoimmune disorders are type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis, IBD, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, Addison's disease, Graves' disease are some of the common examples of autoimmune disorders. So now these are the examples you have understood, okay? Any other problem if you are having, and that is autoimmune disorder, then also these points which we will be discussing today will help for that too. Okay, so let us start with the points. Let us see the points, let us location and what all treatments we have to do in that points. Let us see about that now. So let us first discuss the location of the points, where they are located. Okay, our very first point is on the front side of our hand, on the middle finger, just below the first joint of the middle finger. Towards the small finger side is this point. This point is called as K3. You can see the location of the point. Here, this point is called as K3. This is the first point, kidney 3. Then we have a point called as LU9, lungs 9. This point is on our index finger. First joint of the index finger towards the thumb side. On the first joint towards the thumb side is this point. This point is called as LU9. First point was K3. Second is LU9 point. Third we have CV3 point. Which point? CV3 point. Between our middle and ring finger, if you go straight down, then at this location is this point. This point is called as CV3, conceptive vessel 3. Okay, between the middle and ring finger, if we go straight down, then above the lifeline is this point. This point is called as CV3. We have point which is on the back side of the hand, on our middle finger. Just above the second joint of our middle finger, towards the index finger, towards the thumb side is this point. This point is called as stomach 36 point, okay? This is called as stomach 36 point. These are the 4 points we will be discussing. Then we have 2 more points, okay? From the back side of our hand, if you take, see where our thumb and index finger are joining over here. From this side, if you go towards the inner side, okay, then we have 2 points over here. UB20 and UB23. Okay, these are the 2 points, UB20 and UB23. Urinary bladder 20 and 23. Okay, they are in the between of our index and middle finger. Okay, in the center of the index and middle finger, if we go straight like this, and from here also if we make like a plus sign, okay, from here and here, then just below the line we have the point. This is called as UB23, and below that we have the point UB20. Okay, we will leave a space of 2 points, that is 22 and 21, and then we have point UB20. Okay, so these are the 6 points. Let us discuss again. K3, kidney 3 over here. Okay, we have LU9, CV3, stomach 36, UB20, 23 and 20. Okay, so these are the 6 points that we have discussed. So what we will do, we will take a jimmy. We'll take a jimmy. With the help of a jimmy, we will press each point for 30 seconds to 1 minute. We'll give a good deep pressure over here. We'll press it properly. And then after pressing each point for 30 seconds, we'll take one paper tape and we'll do magnet therapy over here. If you want to buy magnets, if you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy magnets for yourself. We have small kits which will help you, like which includes of jimmies and rings and tapes, seats, magnets, everything. Okay, you can just WhatsApp us and buy it for yourself. We'll apply star magnet on all these points. Okay, so star magnet, one side of the star magnet is silver color and the other side is black color. We'll apply these points in such a way that the pointed side of the star magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you will see the black side of the star magnet. So apply the points, apply magnet on each point, and all these points are bilateral. That means they are situated on both the hands. So do the treatment on both the hands. Do apply this magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove the magnets, throw the paper tape away and bring all the magnets together so that they can energize themselves. Okay, you can keep all of them together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use them for lifetime. So do these treatments daily. See, as autoimmune disorders are there, these disorders do not occur in a day or some, okay, or in a month or something like that. That is a long time process, right? So to cure them also, it will be a long time process. So be patient, do these treatments daily without failing. Okay, and there won't be any kind of side effects of it. Okay, so just do these points daily without failing, and you will see tremendous results. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much, everyone. If you found our video good, then please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, everyone.